Hello teacher, good morning, ready for presentation. Task 1. Description of the picture. Description of the picture, the first manufacturing step of the image is the place of the chassis with the help of the robot arm. Later is the welder, which the robot sends of the welder to the sets that will make out the car or the sign that will be made of the tires and the windshield are placed and in the test in to know that everything is fine. Continue. Task 2. Reading. Dangers of our motor. Was in trouble, the company was losing money. The problem was in the manufacturing division. Michael Wright took over as CEO. Wright implement use and time production method. He said, "We has had too much inventory, so I decided to cut back on the ends on the production. We lowered about line and we kept a limited supply on the raw material. According to Bray, our motor reduced overhead cost by 20% charges and by keeping less inventory will also reduce waste." Reading to the text and two questions. First question: what was the new production method? Implement is our motor. Implement our motor is use and time. Use and time equals be 20% yards. Reduce overhead cost with 20 yards. Two questions. How did the company rose what? The company rose what and we keeping less inventory we have reduced waste. Continue. Task 3. Use and time. Use and time some of the activities of an automotive engineer we perform in the industry are quality, production, logistic, warehousing, etc. But we will tell about whose time he helping to process small quantity of automobile or different models, which the cost quantity of units required to have to handle on the appropriate time in the subsidy state of the process in the main about we can find a very easy complete of we may have to have order and the exact quantity of the product. In the example above we can a problem of every production and what those are logistic engineering do they know the demand of his client and the process he time manufacturing the material if there is additional distributor of the logistic part under the necessary of the can lead to improvement in the process and delivery. Use of time very important automotive system industry very important. See you later my teacher.